Hi, it's SA. Good morning. Today we'll talk about wall reveals. There's two ways to make reveals in walls. We will use a basic way in this video. Wall reveal, you have to go to architecture wall, go to wall reveal and press it, and it will be like this. Like this. We can use reveal too. It will be like this. We can make a reveal as a vertical line like this, or we can make it vertical like this way. Select the reveal, and when we select it, we have temporary dimension. We can change it, the temporary dimension, from base of the wall and top of the wall. We can change it from base or top. And the vertical, we have also temporary dimension from side, left side and right side. You can change it from any way you want. We can also select the reveal, and this is the properties for it. We can go to edit type to change all other reveal. Profile, we have now profile from here. It's set to default. We can change it from here, and it's changed for all reveal. We can also make a custom profile by press file, new, make a new family, select from the templates metric profile, like this. We have to make a closed profile, and now save it as new profile 50 and load it into our project. Now we can select all one profile and one reveal, and go to edit type, and from profile here we can select our new profile. It will be like this. It will change all reveal with same family. I hope it's easy and simple, and thank you, and see you next video.